Awesome. So let's get started. Now, going to this section, as mentioned, intro to platforms. Understand that there's two main platforms that we're going to use. There's a TradingView platform, and there's also the MT4 platform. MT4 right here, TradingView, you're going to see it over there. Okay, so when it comes to this section right here, I want to go ahead and give you guys a quick explanation as far as what are these platforms and how is that they're used. Now, over here you may see TradingView. TradingView is a very large online trading brokerage that provides a broad range of traders and investors from around the world with opportunities to analyze the market. Again, with opportunities to analyze the market, meaning it gives you the charts and it helps you by giving you the opportunity to know what the market is doing when it comes to certain currencies. Are currencies going up? Are they going down? So on and so on. So it's pretty much putting everything right there, right in front of you, so that way you can go ahead and analyze. Now I'm going to go ahead and talk about this within this video towards the end once I explain MT4 a little bit, and then I'm going to go straight into TradingView. Okay, so MT4 is a platform that may be provided by your brokerage. Now it says maybe because understand that there's some brokers that do provide it and don't provide it for max, because most of them do provide it for any other user. And for laptops such as Macs, it's a little bit harder for you to find a broker that provides MT4 for your Mac. But you'll always be able to find it on your phone to go ahead and install it on your phone. Okay, so again, MT4 is a platform that may be provided by your broker and allows you to execute trades and have your analysis within that platform. Meaning that in MT4, you'll have the same experience as TradingView. Just understand that TradingView is a little bit more updated. It's a little bit more user-friendly. And then over here we have MT4, which is a little bit more outdated, I could say, right? And you'll be able to see certain things. But the cool thing about MT4, if you are to go on MT4, you'll be able to trade off of it, right? You'll be able to buy and sell right off of it, which it's going to give you that overall instant execution right then and there. Now TradingView has that option to do it as well, but TradingView is a little bit not as reliable to put your logins in there because anybody can access it very easily. Okay, TradingView is a little bit harder for people to access it because it's installed on your laptop and only people on your laptop can open it. And you can also put some configurations so that way they can't access it unless if they have some passwords. So TradingView you can't do that, MT4 you can. So let me go ahead and go in depth real quick into TradingView before I go into anything else. Now this is TradingView right here. I'm going to go over to the home section so that way we can go ahead and see exactly how it looks like from the beginning. Okay, let's go over to the home section and show you guys real quick what it looks like. And I'm going to give you guys a little breakdown as far as how TradingView works. So before anything, let me go ahead and place this down over here so that way you guys can see the full screen. Now on top, you'll be able to see ideas, market, scripts, scanner, stream, broker, chat, chart, more. Okay, all these sections, you'll be able to go ahead and see them. Now, honestly, on my perspective, I don't use any of those. The only one that I use is chart. Okay, and the reason why I don't like using any of this, if I go to the ideas section, there is going to be a lot of ideas from other analysis, other traders. But again, you want to be reliable. You want to be able to just analyze your stuff. Yes, you might want some help, but that's why you go ahead and get help from people within the team, people within Steady, people within the section that are trading the same as you. Okay, so let me go ahead and go back over here. Let's go over to chart. Okay, this is where we're going to be doing all our trading. So we're going to go over to chart and understand that when you go to chart, there's certain things that you want to do right off the bat. Now yours may not look like this. Yours is going to look something like this. So let me go ahead and show you guys how your guys's will look like. Your guys's will look like this. You'll have red and you'll have green. You'll have some lines, some horizontal lines, some vertical lines on the background. You definitely will not be having this RSI that I have down over here. So let me go ahead and get rid of that. There we go. This is what your guys' chart is going to look like at the beginning. Now you may see something over here on the top right that says buy and sell. What I recommend you to do is go to that buy and sell section on the little right tab. Sorry, it's on the left side. You're going to go ahead and do right click and then go ahead and put hide. Okay, you don't want that. You don't want it there. You just want to go ahead and hide it. Now that you are in TradingView, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a little quick walkthrough when it comes to TradingView, just that way you guys can understand. And then when we go over to the TradingView section, I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys a little bit more in depth. So right here, one thing I want you guys to do is to get rid of your guys' volume indicator. You guys are going to have something right down over here, which is going to be several candlesticks, something like this, but over here, you're going to do exactly the same. You're going to right click and remove. Now Now that you have that done, I want you guys to be able to modify your charts. Okay, I want you guys to be able to modify your charts to whatever that you guys like to have. Now, one thing I would highly recommend you guys to do is switch the red and the green. Take those out. And the reason why is because this is something very psychological. Okay, something that will affect you in your trading journey throughout the process, throughout your journey. And the reason why is because, you know, us as humans, when we're going into, you know, we're taught that red is a bad color. If you see red in the street, you're going to think of stop. You're going to think of warning. You're going to think of danger. You're going to think of, you know, certain things that tell you to not get in or be alerted. Okay. And then when you see the color green, you know, usually green is go. Usually green is okay. Usually green is like something positive, something that's going very well. So you definitely want to change these colors because it is going to affect you guys in the psychological aspect when it comes to trading. And understand that trading, this is one thing I want you guys to know, trading is 80% psychological, 20% technical. Out of that 20% technical, 10% of that is knowing, is it going up or is it going down? So in all reality, it's just 10% technical. Okay, I'm going to repeat that again, write it down. Trading is 80% psychological, 20% technical. Out of that 20% technical, 10% is knowing, is it going up or is it going down? So technically, it's only 10% technical, okay? And that is why I recommend you guys to change your guys' colors because it will affect you guys on the psychological aspect to knowing when it's on a drawdown or in profit, so on and so on. And the way that you go ahead and change this, you just gotta go ahead and double click on it. And when you double click on it, you'll have these colors over here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what are the colors that I have. You can feel free to change those colors, the same colors that I have them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them over here. I have the black and blue colors. Okay, these are the ones that I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and go right here. Yes, go ahead and feel free to pause the video and put these colors in. So I have the baby blue, okay, and then all these other colors are black. Okay, I have all these other colors black. Now another thing I want you guys to understand that if you go over here to the scale, to the appearance section, you don't want to have any vertical lines or any horizontal lines. So go ahead and change these colors. Okay, the background, change the background the same color as your vertical and your horizontal. Okay, so if your background is white, your vertical and your horizontal should be white, so that way you don't have any vertical lines or horizontal lines that will eventually affect you in the near future. And the reason why I say it's going to affect you is because if you have certain vertical lines over here like this, line around, then you're going to go ahead and technically take these areas as potential supports and resistance. Psychologically, you're going to take those into matter because understand that we have our subconscious and our conscious mind, and your subconscious is going to be seeing things that you physically aren't seeing. So please go ahead and get rid of those vertical lines and those horizontal lines. And again, everything I'm telling you guys in these lessons are things that I have, things that I do, and things that I fully recommend you guys because again, I want you guys to know everything that I know. So with that said, guys, this is a little quick walkthrough through TradingView. I'm gonna go a little bit more in depth in the further on videos, but for now, let's go ahead and find a broker, right? Let's go ahead and find a broker. Many people don't know how to find a broker. Many people don't know exactly what to look for. Many people don't know why finding a broker is so important. So with that said, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one, and let's go ahead and find a broker together.